Okay, moving right along. So we just went over how to record our core and how to record the wall workouts. If you have any questions, please let me know. Now we're going to move into dribbling ladder time records. So again, play your name at the top. The equipment you will need are 11 cones or markers. As I say in the video, really you can use anything. Socks are a good idea if you have 11 pairs of socks and putting them 2 feet lengths apart. That works out well too, if you don't have cones. You need a stopwatch and a soccer ball. So for our dribbling ladder time records, you don't need to put in the date. You only need to put in the amount of time it takes you to get from the first cone down the ladder and back again to the first cone. So you're going to do a circle down the ladder. The time you record is the time it takes you to get through all of the gates there and back. You will record for each one of these exercises. You will record 100 logs for each one. On these, it is possible to go through and just do right foot only. So say the first time you do right foot, it's 30.3 seconds. The second time, maybe you get a little faster, you do 28.6. And then you say you want to beat that, you get an even 28. So each time, you could potentially do just all right foot only 100 times and then move on to your left foot, roll over. So there's multiple ways of doing this. You can go straight across the row and you can do all of the exercises, or you can do 5 of right foot only and then do a few left foot onlys, do a roll over, try a roll over push once. It can be all over essentially. You don't have to do them all in a row unless you want to. At the end, the challenge set is completed when each one of these cells is filled in and each exercise is done 100 times. For our moves log, you just need a soccer ball for your moves. Each move you need to do 200 times and log and practice 200 times per foot. So all you need to do here is mark off that you did it. Is put a little check mark or put an X in each box. Mark off how many times you practice each move and on what foot. And then just keep track. You are done with your moves challenge set when you have done each move 200 times with each foot. Juggling records. Juggling, you don't have to log, but I would prefer if you did, just to see how much time you're practicing, so to see where you started and then how long it took you to get to 10 juggles. So juggling logs, you can put in your date, say on this day I spent 30 minutes practicing and then I got 3 in a row, until you go all the way down and you get 100. So juggling logs can be printed out more than once because with juggling, the overall goal for that challenge set is to just be able to juggle the ball 10 times feet only without it dropping on the ground. Match reports. For our match reports, we are going to fill them out only with the Olympic Games. You would put your name at the top. The matches can be men or women's games at the Olympics. I put the dates of the Olympics will be August 5th through August 21st. You'll need to look up schedules. Also, a lot of the times with the Olympics, they're on YouTube for free to stream and to restream as well. If they're watching USA Women's Game, I put the Olympic roster on there to help them out with the last names. There are only 3 parts to this, and they need to fill out 3 match reports, so only 3 total. On here, on the field, I want them to fill it in with the formation of the Olympic team, the starting lineup. So right here is the goalkeeper, and you need to put in the jersey number in the circle, and then at the top, write the players' names.